How to use custom emoji on Telegram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to use emoji or custom emoji on Telegram. So first thing, simply head over to your Telegram application. So once you're inside here, just tap on any of the chats where you want to send an actual custom emoji. So simply tap on this emoji icon right next to the text box, and under here you just have to scroll all the way to rightwards and until you find this settings gear icon right next to the emoji section. Just tap on this, and as you can see at the bottom, artists are welcome to add their own emoji packs using stickers bot. So the Telegram has provided the feature called the stickers bot. So you simply tap on that particular option, and from here you can actually create your own custom emoji on Telegram. So just tap on this start button over here, and you can just click on this new emoji pack at the top of button, and it will ask you to give 3 types of custom emoji, whether you want animated, video or static. So I'll just choose an static emoji. So from over here, as you can see, they will ask you to, or it will ask you to send. So when you're ready, they will ask you to tell, or it will ask you to tell the name of your set. So I'll just give a name just like this, for example, and now it will again ask me to send the custom emoji, that is the image file, which will be in PNG or WebP format with a transparent lens and must be a square of exactly 100 by 100 pixels. So as you can see, it also says that it recommends you to use Telegram desktop when uploading such emojis. So once you upload the file, it should successfully send you a custom emoji based on the file you provided or image file you provided. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.